Hey, what's going on, everyone? If you're new to the channel, my name is D, and I represent New Touch Auto. In this video, we're going to remove the exterior door handles from this 2011 740 Li BMW. Now, the rear is different from the front, but they both remove the same. So we're going to go ahead and get started with the front door, and then we'll proceed to the rear. So when removing these door handles, you want to go ahead and let all your windows down. You want to be able to access the inside from the vehicle and be able to open it from there as well, just in case. Just go ahead and grab you a T15 bit, and you're going to put it on the extender. And what you want to do is go ahead and open your door, and you'll see in the inside that there's one bolt holding that door handle. So as you open your door, you have this rubber seal. You want to go ahead and remove that seal. Now, as you look behind that seal, you'll find that T15 sitting in the deep back area of the door panel. So that T15 will remove the door handle. Now, there's a rubber piece here, and this piece here, we're going to have to remove that with an H4, and that screw is there. So once you have the screw unfastened, you will take your door from this end, you will pull it up, and you will simply work the door handle out of the door slowly. Once you work it out, you'll have two sides that has clips attached. You would take your flathead screwdriver and you will remove this clip and this clip. So you will go underneath, remove the first one, then you would also do the second. Now your door handle is detached. Now as for this piece, we got to remove a separate bolt, and that's the H4. We're going to use this H4 bit to remove it. So as we go back around to unfasten that piece, you have the H4 bolt holding it together right there. So we're going to go ahead and remove that. So after removing the top piece, if you want to remove the lock, you can do so, but you'll have to take the door panel off, and then you don't want to lose your screw. The passenger side is different, so everything will come off on the passenger side because it doesn't have a lock. So we'll now proceed to our rear door. The rear door, you'll do the same. You'll open up the door, and it'll have the same setup as the driver's door. You'll go ahead and remove your rubber piece. On the inside, you'll have that same T15 bolt deep down in there. Once you get your screw out, you simply pull it out, work your door handle out slowly. Once you have your door handle out, you'll have the same setup. You'll be releasing this tab and the other tab by using a flathead screwdriver. So now we'll focus on moving this one out the way. So we'll go inside and use our H4 bit and go ahead and unfasten that. Once you have it loosened, go ahead and pull it out and you have an opening. So now we have both door handles removed from the vehicle. And keep in mind, you need to have your windows down so you can access the door from the inside. Thank you for watching this video. My subscribers, I appreciate you. For those who haven't subscribed, please feel free to do so and hit that subscribe button below. Thank y'all for watching.